गणाधिपतये Good evening. Good evening, children. Yes. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. So yesterday's problem, it is on the board. Tejal and Moksha, keep a message in the group that everyone need to join the class. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Yes, see, given angle CFE and angle CEF are equal and F is the midpoint of DC, this is what given, and we have to prove that AB by BD is equal to AE by FD. Okay, na? We have to prove AB by DB is equal to AE by FD. Okay. Now, proof. Before proof, I do some construction. Afterwards, not now. Now I will go to proof. See. Since these two angles are equal, angle CFE equal to angle CEF, which implies CF is equal to CE. CF is equal to CE. Okay, na? Since it is an isosceles triangle. Now, given DF is equal to CF, given DF is equal to CF. Now, from these two, what we can get? DF is equal to CF is equal to CE. DF is equal to CF is equal to CE. Okay, na? Keep that one in the mind. Okay, na? Children. Now, I will do some construction over here. What I will do? Through D, I will draw a line parallel to BF intersecting AE at G. Through D, I will draw a line I'll draw a line parallel to BE intersecting AE at one point. Call that point as G. Okay. Now, now see, consider triangle ABE. Consider triangle ABE. In that DG parallel to BE. DG parallel to BE. So, by basic proportionality theorem, AD by, no, not AD, AB by DB. AB total by DB part is equal to AE by GE. AE by GE. Okay, na? Now, see, we need to prove this. We got this one. I think 90% of the answer we got. Is that right, children? We have to prove AB by BD equal to AE by FD, but we got AE by GF. AE by GF. GE. Now, what is the difference between the answer and what we got? There is only small difference. What is the small difference? Yes. Answer it is FD, but we got GE. That means if we prove FD is equal to GE, the problem done. Okay, na? If we prove by doing something, if we prove FD is equal to GE, both are equal. If we prove that, problem done. Okay, na? Now what I do? I take triangle CDG. In that, FE parallel to DG. FE parallel to DG. Is that right? FE parallel to DG. Not only that, F is midpoint of DC. F is midpoint of DC. What we can do here? F is midpoint of DC. What we can do, children? What we can do here? DF CF, let it be CF by FD is equal to CE by GE. Is that right? By basic proportionality theorem, CF by FD is equal to CE by EG by basic proportionality theorem. But CF by FD is 1 because both are equal. CF by FD is 1, both are equal. So what we will get? CE by GE is 1. Then CE is equal to GE. CE is equal to GE. Okay. But from this, CE, DF are equal. Is that right? From this, CE is equal to DF. Okay. Now, what we can write from this? CE is equal to DF. CE is equal to DF. Now, from these two equations, we will get from above GE is equal to DF. GE is equal to DF. So, we can insert DF in the place of GE here. We can insert DF in the place of GE. Okay, na? Right. Here construction is important. What is the construction? Through D, draw DG parallel to BE. Actually, you cannot write like this, but you can give a statement like this: through D, draw a line parallel to BE, intersecting AE at G. Intersecting AE at G. That is how you can write. Okay, na? Is that understood, children? Okay. Next question. Next question. So I am leaving question number 7. Just in a triangle ABC, M and N are points on sides AB and AC respectively, such that BM is equal to CN. Okay, there is a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC. M is a point on BM, AB. N is a point on AC. M is a point on AB, N is a point on AC, respectively, such that BM is equal to CN. These two are equal. These two sides are equal. So join this one. Now, if angle B is equal to angle C, if these two are also equal given, what is given? What is given? Angle B is equal to angle C. Not only that, BM is equal to CN. And what is required to prove? What is required to prove? MN parallel to BC. MN parallel to BC. Any idea, children? There is a triangle ABC. M is a point on AB, N is a point on AC, such that BM and CN are equal. Not only that, angle B and angle C are also equal. And we have to prove MN parallel to BC. Any idea? Good evening, Hema. You are quick. చాలా తొందరగా జాయిన్ అయ్యాం. Next. Okay. Okay, good. I am getting some responses. Proof. Angle angle B is equal to angle C implies AB is equal to AC. Angle B is equal to AC, angle C implies AB equal to AC. Now subtract, and we know BM is equal to CN, that is given na. Now subtract both equations. What will get? AB minus BM is equal to AC minus CN. AB minus BM is equal to nothing but AM. AN. Equals are subtracted from equals. The remainings are equal. AM is equal to AN. AM is equal to AN. Okay. Now we have this and we have this. AM is equal to, these two are equal and these two are also equal. So automatically if we divide both, AM by MB is equal to AN by NC. Equals are divided with equals. Equals are divided with equals. The quotients are equal. Is that right? So AM by MB equal to AN by NC. So ratios are equal. Are even, no need to subtract. Yes, single, correct. No need to subtract. AB equal to AC. MB is equal to NC. So AB by MB equal to AC by NC. By basic proportionality theorem, M parallel to BC, Mn parallel to BC over. Converse, yes. No need to even subtract. Very good, very good. No need to subtract even. Angle B equal to angle C, that means AB equal to AC. BM is equal to CN. That means AB by BM, total by part. AC by CN. Also equal. So by converse of PPT, Mn parallel to BC. Mn parallel to BC. Okay na? ఇంకా నేనేదో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలంటున్నాను, నాకు వెలగల, వాటికి వెలిగింది బుర్ర. వెరీ గుడ్. Next question. There is a triangle, there is BC, okay. Here a point is there, Q. P, R, like this. Okay, this is A, B, C and D. So what is given? Triangle ABC, DBC have common side BC shown in the figure. From a point P, PQ parallel to AB. PQ parallel to this one is parallel to this. That is given. PR parallel to BD. This one. PR parallel to BD. And what we have to prove? QR parallel to AD. QR parallel to AD. This is the question. What is given? Triangle ABC and DBC are on the same base. They are on the same base. Okay. And what else is given? PQ parallel to AB and PR parallel to BD. And we need to prove QR parallel to AD. Okay, na? Now, what to do, tell me? What to do after this? Proof. Consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. PQ parallel to AB. Is that right? Or BA, whatever it may be. PQ parallel to BA. So by basic proportionality theorem, CP by PB is equal to CQ by QA. Let it be 1. Let it be 1. Now, consider triangle CBD. Consider triangle CBD. PR parallel to BD. PR parallel to BD. Then what we can write now? Again, CP by PB is equal to CR by RD. Let it be 2. Let it be 2. Now tell me, from 1 and 2 what we can do? From 1 and 2 what we can do? Things which are equal to the same thing. These two are equal to same thing. This ratio equal to the same thing. So, CQ by QA equal to CR by RD. CQ by QA equal to CR by RD. That means by converse of BPT, QR parallel to AD. QR parallel to AD by converse of BPT. Okay, na children? Next question. Next question. So very good question. There is a triangle ABC. ABC and FE join BE CF join BE CF and this is a point O. Join AO and extend it to X. And this is D. Okay. So what is given? The given figure, triangle ABC is bisected at D. And O is any point on AD. BO and OC are produced, meet AC and AE at E and F respectively. AD is produced to X, so that D is the midpoint of OX. Okay, see. Let it be X. These two are equal. These two are equal, children. Okay. And what we have to prove? Required to prove. What is required to prove? AO by AX. AO by AX is equal to AF by AB. This is one. And second one is EF parallel to BC. Proof. First we need to do some construction here. Children, see here. D is the midpoint of BC, 1, that is given. Second one, D is the midpoint of OX also, that is also given. Okay? And what we have to prove? AO by AX is equal to AF by AB and EF parallel to BC. Now what I will do is, construction, I will join BX, CX. Join BX, CX. Proof. Now, we got a quadrilateral here, BXCO. We got a quadrilateral BXCO. So what we can call it as? What we can call quadrilateral BXCO? BXCO. What we can call it as? Rhombus. Indika ala undane? Rhombus la undane? Shyam? Ritvik Singhal also says rhombus. Can anyone say reason? Lohitaksh says parallelogram. Akshay parallelogram. Vikramaditya rhombus. Srujay parallelogram. Which is right? Parallelogram or rhombus? Who is this game product 1007? He is also saying parallelogram. Yes, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Ninhal, maybe my drawing was not good. Okay, but if you see in the figure, and join with X in the textbook, it will look like you cannot find one diagonal longer and one diagonal shorter. Okay. Yes, basically it is a parallelogram because in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Conversely, in any quadrilateral, if diagonals bisect each other, we can call it as a parallelogram. Conversely, if in a quadrilateral, if diagonals bisect each other, we can call it as a parallelogram. So, BXCO is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. These are parallel lines. Okay, na? These two parallel, these two parallel. Okay? Now, write down. BXCO is a parallelogram. Now, children, consider triangle ABX. Consider triangle ABX. ABX. FO parallel to BX. FO parallel to BX. I am not saying the reason, you know it clearly. FO parallel to BX. So what I can write? AF by AB is equal to AO by AX. Done. Is that right? First one done. AF by AB equal to AO by AX. Now, consider triangle ACX. OE parallel to XC. OE parallel to XC. Again by basic proportionality theorem. AO by AX is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC. AO by AX is equal to AE by AC. Part by whole. Now, this is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2. What we will get? AF by AB is equal to AE by AC. Is that right? From 1 and 2, AF by AB equal to AE by AC. Okay? Now, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, FE parallel to BC. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, FE parallel to BC. Okay, children? Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. That's all for today. We'll meet again tomorrow. So click on the like button. Moksha and Tejal take the attendance. Moksha and Tejal take the attendance. Meanwhile, children, click on the like button. Okay, Moksha took Tejal. Yes, good. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Bye.